So good afternoon to one and all. We have started the discussion of permanent magnet moving coil instrument that is called PMMC coil, and we have already discussed about the construction and working principle as well as the torque equation of the PMMC instrument. Okay, this PMMC instrument we have discussed the torque equation. The torque equation we have telling that one the deflecting torque is directly proportional to the controlling torque. So the deflecting torque is nothing but we have derived the derivation for the VANI. V is the flux density that is constant, and A is the cross sectional area, and N is the number of turns in the coil, whatever the moving coil is there in that one number of turns, and I is the current flowing through that coil. So the current flowing through that coil I is variable. Other things, the flux density in between from permanent magnet, whatever the flux density, flux per unit area is constant. The cross sectional area of the coil is constant. Number of turns in the coil is constant, but the current flowing through that coil is variable thing here now. So you have to remember this is the equation number 1 here. Now this equation you have to remember, and the controlling torque is nothing but we are going to call TC equal to K theta. K theta means almost the controlling torque. We are going to use the K is the spring constant. The spring method we are going to use whatever the for the controlling purpose. So these two equations you have to remember first. You can note down this two. TD equal to BANI and TC equal to K theta. You note down this one. First all of you note down these two. And later we know that one, whatever the deflecting torque is there, that is the controlling torque is same of that deflecting torque only. It is equal but opposite in direction. That's it here. So the magnitude of the deflecting torque is equal to the controlling torque. We are going to call that one. So TC is directly proportional to the TD. So we have derived these two equations, TD equal to BANI and TC equal to K theta. In the place of TC, you substitute K theta here. TC equal to K theta, and BAN I have considered that Z, that is a constant here now. So we can call that one GI, we can write here now. So K theta equal to is proportional to GI. So we can write theta equal to G by K into I. This is the final equation we can write here now. So why I am telling these all the equations means based on this formula, this one, and this and this and this here now. This on these equations only we are going to solve some problems. We are going to solve here. Some numericals we are going to discuss in the today's class. So all of you know remembered the formulas. Have you remembered the formulas? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you remembered the formula, then will you solve the problems? What do you mean by deflecting torque is nothing but TD, controlling TC is controlling torque is nothing but TC, spring constant is K, length is the length of the coil is L, width of the coil is B, and N is the number of turns, I is the current, cross sectional area is LB, L into B we can call that one, length into width, the force produced in the coil is given by is nothing but this is the formula we are using here. Now the descriptions. What do you mean by flux? B is nothing but flux density. In the problems, they will not mention B equal to N equal to. They will mention in a word flux density of the coil, number of turns in the coil, like that. They are going to mention here. We'll take one simple problem. I will run that simple problem. All of you note down this problem. Sorry, some advantages, disadvantages. Yesterday we have already discussed about that one. It is applicable for only DC measurement, not for the AC measurement. That is the main disadvantage, but the advantages are more comparatively that, because the torque weight ratio is more, power consumption is less, scale is uniformly divided, damping is very effective because eddy current damping we are using here now, and the single instrument we can use for the many different ratings. We can use this single instrument by using the cents and multipliers they have mentioned here. Take this problem, all of you. Take the problem. A permanent magnet moving coil instrument. A permanent magnet moving coil instrument has a coil of, a permanent magnet moving coil instrument has a coil of, dimensions, 30 mm into 40 mm, dimensions 30 mm into 40 mm, full point. The flux density in the air gap is, 1 Weber per meter square. 1 Weber per meter square, and the number of turns are 100. The number of turns are 100. Full point. The control spring exerts a torque of, 240 into 10 to the power of -6 Newton meter. The control spring exerts a torque of 240 into 10 to the power of -6 Newton meter. Determine current at full scale deflection. Okay, all of you read the formula carefully first. Read the problem carefully. You have to read the problem and you write the given data. All of you write the given data. First, you have to read the problem. Then you have to write the given data. After that one, what is the question? According to that, what is the requirement you have to decide? Then you have to go for the calculation. Anyone have written the given data? Rule number 16. Why the name went last? Rule number 16. You have not joined the audio. Rohit Jadhav. Okay. Rule number 13. Have written this given data?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what you have written given data?
Area 30 mm into 40 mm.
Area A we have written. 30 mm. Mm is nothing but what? 30 into 10 to the power of -3 into 40 into 10 to the power of -3. You have to write like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Area should be in meter square. Millimeter square means millimeter into 10 to the power of -3. Square is nothing but 6 only. 10 to the power of -6. This one is area we have written. Okay, next.
Flux density.
Flux density means what?
Flux density. B.
Okay, B equal to 1 Weber per meter square. The unit is correct only. 1 Weber per meter square is there. No problem. Next. Number of turns?
100.
100. Okay, next. The control spring exerts a torque of
Deflecting torque.
which one?
TC.
Anyone can tell that one.
Controlling torque.
TC, very good here. This is the very important. TC equal to 240 into 10 to the power of -6. They have given and they asked you to calculate the current here. Okay, this is the given data. I will display the given data here now. You can check it. See here, the given data A equal to width into length, that is called 30 mm into 40 mm. B is the flux density 1 Weber per meter square. N is number of turns 100 and T the whatever this control spring they have mentioned exerts a torque. Torque means they have given the torque. Which spring torque? It is nothing but control spring. This is nothing but controlling torque, that is 240 into 10 to the power of -6 Newton meter. What they have asked you to identify?
Current.
Determine the current. So I told you people to note down the formula. Which formula you are going to apply here?
TD equal to TC.
TD equal to TC formula you have to apply here. Okay. TC is already they have given here, no? So they will keep this one as it is. TD there? No. They have not given any TD. Then we know the formula of TD. Yes?
Yes.
N B A I. Okay, NBAI equal to TC. We can write like this. So from the given data, you check it. N is given. N is given or not?
Yes, sir.
Here they have given.
Yes,
B is given. Yes, B is given. A is given. Area. Yes, area is given. I is given. No. So you have to identify this one here. No. So from this equation, you can write I equal to TC divided by NBA. TC divided by NBA. You can write or not? TC divided by NBA. Is this correct? Anyone reply?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, substitute. TC is already 240 into 10 to the power of -6. They have given. And N is 100. B is nothing but 1. Area is 30 into 10 to the power of -4 into 40 into 10 to the power of -4. You do it and tell the current value. We know that TD equal to NBAI. This is the formula, we know that one. And TD equal to, we have calculated separately first. NBAI. N have substituted here 100. 1. B is nothing but 1. Area is 30 into 10 to the power of -4. 40 into 10 to the power of -4. Here into is missed here now. Into I have kept as it is. So total in the place of this NBA, I have written here 120 into 10 to the power of -3i. Next, we know that TC equal to TD. So TC I will write as 240 into 10 to the power of -6. TD equal to, we have just now we have calculated, that is 120 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into I. So I equal to, we can write I equal to, we can write 240 divided by 120. How much it is? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by 10 to the power of 6, sorry, minus 3.
10 raised to minus 3.
Minus 3. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is the answer. Yes? All of you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 ampere, or 10 to the power of minus 3, it indicates what? Milli. Milli or not this one? 10 to the power of minus 3 is nothing but milli. We are going to call 2 milli. What is the unit of current?
Ampere.
So 2 milliampere also we can write that one. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. If any one of you have the doubt, then ask me. Otherwise, I will give the next problem. You have to solve that problem. Similar problem I will give that one. Only these formulas only you have to apply. This one and this one. And if you have any doubts, इसमें कुछ doubt है तो पूछो. Any doubts? If you are not understood, where you have not understood, any difficulties, you can ask me. Yes? किसी को कुछ doubt है?
No, sir.
Will you solve the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Take down that. Take a next problem and try to solve this one. A permanent magnet moving coil instrument has a coil dimensions 15 mm into 12 mm. The flux density in the air gap is 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Weber per meter square, and the spring constant is 0.14 into 10 to the power of minus 6 Newton meter per radian. Determine the number of turns required. To produce an angular deflection of 90 degrees. To produce the angular deflection of 90 degrees when a current of 5 microampere is flowing through the coil. 5 microampere is flowing through the coil. Read the question carefully. And write the given data and solve the whatever they have asked. Based on that, you people have to solve. This problem is also completely related to the TC and TD only. TC and TD only. So you people read the question carefully, read the problem, write the given data, and try to solve it. You have 5 minutes time, you can solve this one. So any one of you have solved the problem? Tell me. Have you solved the problem? At least you people tell me the given data, what you have written. Randomly I will ask, otherwise. Any one person who has solved, you can tell. Huh?
Area 15 mm into 12 mm.
Okay. Have you solved the problem? Solve किए
Sort
क्या?
out this.
कितना
नहीं.
है आंसर कितना है?
Solve कर रही हूँ.
करो. Next, rule number 6. माने प्रज्ञा. Have you solved the problem?
करते सर solve.
आता स्टार्ट करणार आहे का तुम्ही?
नाही सॉल्व करायली.
ठीक. रोल number 19. Roll number 19. Rushikesh. Doge Rushikesh. Rushikesh Doge. Roll number 19. Are you there? Roll number 22. Akshay Kale.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell the answer? What is the answer?
Sir, swallow कर रहा हूँ.
Okay. It will take time. You people should not solve. I understand that thing. Just listen carefully. First, you listen. Read the problem I told you people. A permanent magnet moving coil instrument has a coil of dimensions 15 mm into 12 mm. What it means? 15 mm into 12 mm.
Area.
Area. Coil area is 15 mm into 12 mm. You write this one. 15 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 12 into 10 to the power of minus 3. That is called A is given here. A is given. Next, the flux density in the air gap is 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Weber per meter square. What is nothing but?
B.
Flux density is nothing but B is given here. And the spring constant is 0.14 into 10 to the power of minus 6. What is this one?
K.
K.
It is not controlling torque. It is a spring constant. They have mentioned over there. Spring constant is K here now. Next, determine the number of turns required to produce the angular deflection. Number of turns, how much it is?
N.
N is, they asked you people to calculate the N here. No, this is the question. At the spring constant and the produce angular deflection. Deflection means what?
Theta.
Theta. Theta they have given in 90 degrees, but we have to convert here now. Newton per radians they have mentioned here now. So 90 is nothing but how much? 5 by 2 you have to use here now. 5 by 2. And when a current of 5 milliampere, I is given 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. I is given as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. I equal to. So we know the formula of TC equal to
K theta.
TC equal to TD. Just use this formula you have to use here. But TC you know value? Don't know. But the TC equal to K theta, you know the formula?
Yes.
TC equal to K theta, you know the formula. K is given. K is given or not? It is given value. Theta is given. It is a given value. So calculate the TC, you calculate it first. Then TD equal to NBAI. NBAI is the formula. B is given, A is given, I is given. Calculate the N here now. Simple formula. Use it. The formula, everything is how we have prepared the food. Just you have to eat it. That's it. Just note down the given data here now. I will show you people. The given data of the problem is theta, that is the angular deflection is 90 degree. 90 degree is nothing but 5 by 2 radians you can use here now. And the K is the spring constant that is given already. The spring constant is 0.14 into 10 to the power of minus 6 Newton meter per radian. And the cross-sectional area or area of the dimensions they have given, that is A equal to width into length, that is nothing but 15 mm is the width, 12 mm is the length, and they have asked a question, determine the number of turns required. Number of turns n is the question mark here now, and they have given the when a current of 5 milliampere is flowing through. जब current 5 milliampere flow हो रहा है, on that situation we have to calculate. These are the given data they have given here. So I equal to 5 milliampere is nothing but 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 we have to use, and the flux density is 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Weber meter here. We have to use these all things, and we know the formula of TC is directly proportional to TD. So TC is nothing but K theta. K is given the value. K is given or not?
Yes.
K is given, theta is given there, n is the question mark is there. N is the question mark we have to identify. This n only we have to identify. B is given, A is given, I is given. Then from this formula, n equal to K theta divided by BAI you can write. This n I will keep here. I will send BAI into LHS side. It will become K theta divided by BAI. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So n equal to K theta divided by BAI. This is the formula, final formula. Now, any one of you do the calculation and tell the answer. Do the calculation. Just substitute. What do you mean by K here? You substitute. Where is the K? This value you substitute in the place of K. Theta equal to 5 by 2 you substitute, divided by B. Where is B? This one, 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3. And A is nothing but, while writing the A, you have to use 15 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 12 into 10 to the power of minus 3, because that is in millimeters are there here. Now both you have to convert into meters, width and length. Next, area is there. Current they have given 5 milliampere. 5 milliampere is nothing but 5 into
10 raised to minus 3.
10 to the power of minus 3 you have to write here. Substitute these all the things and tell the answer. Substitute these all and tell the answer. Over. How much you got? If it is over, you can tell me. What you people are doing, I am not understanding. Everything is
135.
135.
35.
Any other answers other than this?
1.35 into 10 raised to minus 4.
100.
1.35
1
into
point
10 raised to
1.35 into 10 to the power
minus 4.
minus 4. Another answer 135. Someone has told 135. Next, other than this, any answers? Other than this? No answers. Okay. In these two, I have the calculator here now. It is all of you enter that one. How I will tell the value? You enter that one. Okay. First, what you do, you take the open bracket here now. 2 open bracket you take down here now. 2 open bracket, or only you take down. Okay. First, you take the 1 open bracket. You enter the value of k here now. K is nothing but 0.14 into 10 to the power of minus 6 we enter here now into theta is nothing but how much? 5 into 5 value we enter divided by 2 close the bracket here. All of you enter in the calculator 0.14 into 10 to the power of minus 6. I will take the open bracket 0.14 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 5 shift express divided by 2 bracket close here. I have closed 2.199 into 10 to the power of minus 6. You got the answer? You got the answer? Otherwise, you directly take a divided by symbol here. Now you take 2 open brackets here. 2 open brackets you take down. Next you substitute b. What is the b here now? What is the value of b? 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 to close the bracket, then into you put here now. Next, a, what is the a value of a? Take open bracket 15 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 12 into 10 to the power of minus 3. You close the bracket and into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. How much you got? You check it. What is the answer? It is. Is it visible or not? Visible है क्या नहीं? Reverse.
Yes, sir. Yes,
कितना
sir.
है? Answer how much it is? इसका mirror copy आ रहा है क्या? 135.74 they have got. We got the answer here. 134.7 we got the answer here now. So who has told about that 135? That is the answer is correct, we can say. So 135.7 equal to, we can call that one 137 or 135, whatever it may be, because the number of turns हमने winding ऐसा use कर रहे, उसको half use करो बोल के नहीं बोल सकते, आधा बोल के, है ना? The turns we are going to continue as a in the numbers only. It should not be half or 0.25 and all things. So 135 or 136, whatever approximately we are calling, that one is correct answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, you are telling, then also you are not solving the problems. Then also you are not solving the problems. Okay. The same problem, for this same problem only, I will just change some value. You people try to solve it. So one more problem is this. No. Okay. For this problem only, what I will do, I'll take this one, duplicate slide. Here, I'll change, instead of 1.8, I'll change the flux density, that is called 0.8, and the current, instead of, that is 5 milliampere, I'll make as 15 milliampere. Just do the calculation, any one of you. And the flux, this one, instead of 10 to the power of minus 6, I can give only 3. I will give here. Solve it now. This is the last problem we can solve. Same problem, just I have changed the value. I have changed the value. You have to give me the answer. The given data will be changed. So I have kept degree as it is. Only the K I have changed, that is called 10 to the power of minus 6 to minus 3. I have done that one. And area also I have kept as it is. Only instead of current 5 milliampere, I have made 15 milliampere. Yes. Okay, 15 milli also you remove that one. Only 15 ampere you consider. Not 50 milli. Take minute. 15 into 10 to the power of minus 6 you use it. 10 to the power of minus 6 you use it for this current. Then we will get the major value, bigger value will get that one. Solid first. I have not changed anything about the KT theta. K is I have kept as it is. K I have kept as it is. The spring constant 0.14 I have done. Na? Previously what it was, okay, I have changed something, 0.6, 0.14 into 10 to the power of minus 3 I have done here, this one. And theta is 5/2 only, 5/2 only. We add it here, divided by, open bracket, what is the B here? Flux density is 0.8, that is called 1.8, 0.8 I have done here now. 0.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Next, area is same. I have kept, nothing has changed here. No, 10 to the 15 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 12 into 10 to the power of minus 3. The current is changed, that is 15 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Tell the answer, anybody?
One zero 1.8.
10
1.8.
101.8. 100.8. 101.8. Any other answers? Rahul Mule, what is the time? How they are joining here? No. Roll number 32, roll number 28. Any other answers? 0.14 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 5/2 divided by what is the B? How much we have considered? 0.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 or minus 6? कोई भी आंसर नहीं दे रहे थे तुम लोग, ऐसा कभी भी नहीं रहे।
0.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 घेतले sir.
How much you got the answer then? 101.8.
0.8.
101.83 into 10 raised to 6.
10 to the power of 6 आएगा।
Yes, sir.
कम once again और एक बार बोलो आंसर क्या है?
101.3 into 10 raised to 6.
101 into 10 to the power of 6. No, wrong. I got the answer here. See here. 101,810.8. I got answer. So 101 into 10 to the power of plus 3 is the correct answer. 101.8 into 10 to the power of 3 is the correct answer.
Okay.
Somewhere we have missed that one point. 10 to the power of minus 6 किया है देखो किधर तो उसके लिए the answer आएगा. B equal to how much you have used?
0.8 into 10 raised to minus 3.
Current, how much you have used?
50 into 10 raised to minus 6.
Okay, check once again then.
Okay.
Check it once again. Answer आने तक नहीं छोड़ने का. This class is completely related to the problems only. So if it is clear, then we'll go for the next topic. Solve it once again. First, all of you calculate this k theta. K theta को calculation करो. 5, this 5 enter करो, divided by 2, you enter it. Okay, into k is how much it is? 0.14 into 10 to the power of minus 3 plus equal to press करने का. Okay, 2.19 into 10 to the power of minus 4 आ गए. इसको divide बटन प्रेस करो और ओपन ब्रैकेट यूज करने का. कभी भी ये ओपन यूज नहीं किया ना तो हमारा आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. This open bracket you have to use. Then enter the value of b. B is how much here? 0.8. 0.8 into 10 to the power of
minus 3.
Next, into what is the A? Area is 15 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 12 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into what is the current?
15 into 10 raised to
15 into 10 to the power of minus 6 close bracket equal to. देखो सेम आंसर आ गया मेरे. 101,810. Okay, correct. Who got 10 to the power of minus plus 6 आया था ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yours is correct answer then. 101.8 into 10 to the power of
6.
6 is the correct answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 correct. 101.8 10 to the power of 6 we are able to have that. So that is, I will also write here the answer is 101.8 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, this is the answer here. So while using the calculator, open bracket, close bracket, you have to use correctly. If one bracket is missed, then the multiplication and the division factor will be changes over. Especially while dividing, addition, you have to subtraction. You have to use the open bracket and close bracket while doing that. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take one more problem, this one, solve it. A PMMC instrument has a coil dimensions of 10 mm into 8 mm, 10 mm into 8 mm. The flux density in the area is 0.15 Weber per meter square. If the coil is wound for 100 turns, carrying a current of 5 milliampere, then calculate the deflecting torque and calculate the deflection if the spring constant is 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 Newton meter per degree. Very interesting problem, this one. Will you solve it? All of you?
Yes, sir. Wait.
Oh, solve it. Is it over? Anyone have solved?
Yes.
What is the answer? First, you tell me the calculate deflecting torque.
6 into 10 raised to minus 6.
6 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is the correct answer. And theta is 30 degree. Have you got?
0.33.
No. 5.
40 degrees. sir.
You have to don't use here 5 use nahi karne ka. Newton, he what he has given Newton meter per degree has used, na?
Yes, sir.
You don't use in radians here now. You have to try it in the degree only. Understood? Same simple calculation as it is. You can do the calculation. You get that.
Yes.
6 divided by 0.2. That is nothing but 30. 10 to the power of minus 6 gets cancelled. 6 divided by 0.2 is nothing but 30 degree. See here, the PMMC instrument has a coil dimensions 10 mm into 8 mm. That is called area. We have written here now 80 mm square into 80 mm square is nothing but 80 into 10 to the power of minus 6 he has given here now 10 into 8. 10 into 8 means 80. Mm is nothing but millimeter square. 80 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is the area, total area he has calculated here. Next, TD is the NBEI. First, they asked to calculate the deflecting torque. So N is given 100 turns and the current is, sorry, NB flux density is given here. Where is the flux density here? Flux density in the area is 0.15. 0.15 you write down here now. And the current is 5 milliampere, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. You write here now and substitute in the calculator. You will and area is NBA, this one 80 into 10 to the power of minus 6 you use here and put in the calculator. You will get the answer of 6 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is the correct answer. Next, we know the formula TD equal to TC. We know the formula TD equal to TC. We know the formula TC equal to
K theta.
K theta. TC equal to K theta. They have given the K. K value is given. The spring
Yes.
constant is given here. No. So we can write theta equal to TD divided by K.
Yes, sir.
TD divided by K. TD is just now we have calculated 6 into 10 to the power of minus 7. You substitute here. K is 0.8, 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 and that is 30 degree. 30 degree. So this type of simple problems, if the offline exam is there, then it will come. Okay. Tomorrow I am going to conduct the chapter test 1. Be ready, all of you. Okay. We'll stop here only and we'll continue in the next class.